This is the first time I've ever used this. I purchased a toaster. It's supposed to be 750 watt, which is less than my kettle. Now and again the kettle does trip the trip switch. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some toast in. Oh no, that's stupid. You don't put toast in, do you? Now I want to put it that way. See, I like that. I like a nice width. There we go. Put it in that way. I've set it to full. And I'm going to press it. Chips. There we go.
Right, there we go. Right, apparently the everything's still on. Got to do that washing up later. Okay, nothing's tripped out yet. Still good, still good. Seems to be going toasty in there. Okay, so this is a quest. Yeah, feel the heat. Yeah, it's working. I'm assuming it must take longer because, oh, I can smell toast. I can smell the toasty toast smell. Stephen, just don't jump, will you, when the toast pops up. As you can see from earlier, it was pretty light. So, nothing's burning yet. Can I look in there? It seems to be going a little bit brown. Can't really tell. It's got that new first smell burn. You can smell. It's all good, it's all good. As I say, I put it on full. And we're waiting for it to pop up. The excitement of a toaster, honestly.
This is on full. It doesn't seem to be on. Oh shoot! I told you I was going to jump. Right, I'll put that on full as the first one. Let's have a look what it looks like. Okay, that's not too bad. I've seen worse. I've seen worse. Okay. Seems to cook in places better than others. Okay. Toast it is. A little piece of toast. Now, I was going to do this last night. I got the butter out last night ready. And what did I do this morning? I put the butter back in the freezer. So, okay. That's on number 6. Okay. Tried one on number 4. That's not too bad. That's nice. Hey! Hello. Don't take toast for granted. Never take toast for granted.